In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in Monday.com. If you're new to Monday.com, a board is the central place where your tasks, projects, or processes live. Think of it as a customizable table that helps your team plan, track, and collaborate in one spot. By the end of this short walkthrough, you'll have a brand new board ready to build on. First, open your Monday.com workspace and look for the plus sign icon. It typically appears near the top of your screen or in the left sidebar, depending on your layout and permissions. This is your quick action to add something new. Give it a click to open the Creation menu. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Accounts can be customized, but the plus sign is the universal shortcut for creating new items. Next, select New Board from the menu. You might see other options like creating a document, a dashboard, or importing data. For now, keep it simple and choose New Board so we can start from a clean slate. This ensures you're building a standard board that you can tailor to any workflow, sales pipelines, content calendars, sprint plans, you name it. You'll now be prompted to add a name. This is more important than it sounds. A clear, consistent title makes your board easy to find and understand later. Consider including the team, project, and time frame in the name, something like Marketing Launch Q3 or Client Onboarding, North Region. Short, descriptive names help keep your workspace tidy. If you see additional settings here, such as choosing privacy or templates, you can leave them for later and stick with the defaults to get started quickly. When your title looks good, click Create Board. That's it. The board is now live. Monday.com will generate a fresh workspace where you can add items, groups, and columns as you go. You'll typically see a starting group and a few default columns. From here, you can customize the structure to match your process. Rename the group to reflect a phase, update column titles to track owners, statuses, or due dates, and start adding items for each task or deliverable. If you're collaborating, teammates will be able to view and contribute based on your account's sharing settings. To recap, you clicked the plus sign, chose New Board, gave it a clear name, and hit Create Board. With those few clicks, you've built the foundation for organized, visible work. In future sessions, we'll explore how to shape this board to your exact workflow with columns, views, and automations. For now, you're all set. Enjoy building out your new board.